Oscar Wilde, the human being, the poet, the lover, the friend.
I am where I wish to be. Consider, I find myself here with you in this room.
Love can bring out some erratic, chaotic behavior in people that can often lead to betrayal.
It is madness for Oscar to run headlong from the country until we know beyond any question a prosecution cannot be stopped.
You have to have really felt love to feel truly betrayed.
Betrayal hurts the most when it's from someone you love. The two can't exist without the other. It's right there in the title of our play, The Judas Kiss.
The three of us planning our hopeless campaign.
Come see it.